Hey my harmonies, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a review and try on of these JoFay fashion press-on nails that you can get on Amazon. These press-on nails on Amazon are super affordable and I'm going to show you guys two different ways on how to wear them and to apply them. Make sure you guys like this video and continue watching to see how I apply these nails. These are how my nails currently look. They are bare, looking rough, and I need to clean them up. So before I even put these nails on, I am going to be trimming my cuticles. Besides that product, everything that I'm going to be mentioning in this video is from Amazon, and all of the products will be linked down below. Yeah, prepping my nails for the press-on nails is always a must-have for me. I cannot skip this step because if I do, the nails are going to be looking weird, not realistic, and I believe that they could easily fall off too. So I have to do this whole routine before I put them on. See, they look so much better after I prep them, but now it's time to do the other hand. Next, I'm going to be filing my nails down, even though they are pretty short already, but I do prefer having my nails very nubby whenever I put press-on nails because I really want my nails to last long. And I notice whenever I do have long nails underneath the press-on nails, they don't last as long. So this is like another must-have for me to do. Next, I'm going to be using my nail prep dehydrator and I'm just going to be applying it all over the nails so there will be no type of excess oils on my nails, because if there's any oils on my nails, again, the press-on nails are not going to last as long. Next, I'm going to be buffing my nails so the glue or the stickers I'm going to be using are not going to easily fall off or peel off my nails. Next, I'm going to be taking this and just brush off any nail dust that is on my nails. These are the JoFay fashion press-on nails that are from Amazon. I am going to be showing you guys 4 different styles, but one of them is going to be my permanent style for the next 2 to 3 weeks. But the first pair I want to show you guys are these ones. Oh my gosh, these are so cute, perfect for the summertime, springtime. All of the nails do come with their own kit, so it does come with these little wipes and then a nail file, which I'll throw in my bag, and this cuticle pusher, and then some glue, then lastly the nail stickers. With these first nails, I am going to be showing you guys how to wear them with the nail stickers. If you guys do not want to wear these nails for too long, all you have to do is estimate the size of the nail sticker, then just apply it on, remove the plastic, then just stick them on. If you don't want the nails to last like a week or so, then I definitely recommend using the nail stickers instead of using the glue. But yeah, you just pretty much do the same thing. Estimate the size of it, make sure it's the right size, make sure the sticker is flat on the nail, make sure there's barely any air bubbles. For an easy removal, use tweezers to remove the plastic, then apply the press-on nail to your actual nail. Then there you have it. Like, that's how you literally put these nails on with the nail stickers. And honestly, I haven't used nail stickers in a very long time. But the last time I had used nail stickers, they weren't good at all. But these ones are like so sticky. Like, they're kind of like glue in a way, but not as strong as glue. These press-on nails are so pretty, definitely one of my favorites. I love the rhinestones on them, I love the colors on them, just very cute and girly. The second press-on nails I have to show you guys are these black and white almond shaped ones. I'm just going to be doing the exact same thing but really quick. In this clip, I'm showing you guys how strong the stickers are with these press-on nails. Like, you really have to put some effort to remove the sticker. Once you remove the nail sticker, then you can reuse these because these nails are reusable. And no, they did not hurt my nail bedding. I'm just going to be doing the exact same thing because, again, I do not want to wear these for a really long time, and I do want to reuse these because the quality of these nails are really good. And what I love about the press-on nails too is that they have a natural curve design to them, to where it's looking natural and they're not gonna look fake on me. It's gonna look like that I just came from the salon, and we all love that when it comes to press-on nails. Make sure you guys follow me on my Amazon storefront. I always post new items that I've been loving lately all the time, so I'll leave that link down below too. And these are how the second press-on nails look. These are the third JoFay fashion press-on nails that I have to show you guys. Again, these are really affordable. Love the quality on them, but these ones are matte, and I never tried any matte press-on nails before, so these were like a little bit more interesting to me, and honestly I do like them, and I'm definitely reusing these too. I'm still using the stickers with these press-on nails. With JoFay Fashion's press-on nails, all of their nails come in 24 pieces, and with 20 pieces of the adhesive tabs, aka the nail stickers, you'll definitely find your perfect nail size with their nails since they have so many different sizes. But these are how the third press-on nails look. Last but not least, these are the last JoFay Fashion press-on nails I have to show you guys, and I decided to make these ones my more permanent nails. These are gonna last me 2 to 3 weeks, and if you guys want to know how I make these nails like last a really long time, like maybe up to a month, then I'll leave that video down below in the description box or as a card up here, because I really want these nails to last, and these are so cute. And I just love the heart gemstone that's on it. Like, you guys are gonna see again once I like put it on, but oh my gosh, like, these are so cute. I love the ombre on them, and I love the lines on them. They're like a coffin, small French tip type of nails, and I was in the mood for like more of a modern look and nothing too colorful or something that stood out too much. I mean, the gem on the nail kind of makes it stand out a lot, but it's not too much because of the colors. But with the heart gemstone that's on it, there's also 2 small pearls that's next to it, and I thought that was like so cute. But if you want these nails to last longer than a few days or a week, definitely use nail glue. You cannot use the nail stickers or the adhesive tabs for these to last like a really long time, because eventually they're just gonna pop off and it's just gonna be annoying. Next, I'm going to be taking Tree Hut's Tropic Glow Body Butter, and I'm going to be using this to moisturize my hands and my cuticles. But you guys, this smells so good, and I heard this was a dupe for Sol de Janeiro's Bum Bum Cream, I believe. It doesn't smell like that all the way, but it still gives off that tropical vibe, which I love, especially for this summer, and it's just a really good moisturizer. Then lastly, I'm going to be taking my Blossom Scented Cuticle Oil, and it's in the scent Hibiscus, and it smells so summery and it smells so yummy. And this is the newest cuticle oil that I own now, and I still like my Marcy Bella one, but this one has like a special scent to it. Like, I don't know, it makes me feel very like I'm on an island or something. Like, I love feeling like that. But yeah, this is a really good cuticle oil. That is my full review of the JoFay Fashion press-on nails that you can get off of Amazon. Like I said, everything will be linked down below, so do not forget to check out my description box. Make sure you guys like this video, comment down below your favorite nails or your thoughts and opinions about this video. Subscribe to my channel to join the harmony, and of course, click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload, okay? So I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.